Hello, everybody. What do you mean, where's your logo? It's right there. Let me see it. 21 fucking months. I've already been streaming that long. You know. Everything's going off. My chat's just died. Let me go and have a look what I actually saw. Totally didn't just download it or anything like that. Pet wallpaper. Oh.
Is now following.
Oh, at least that didn't work. What's the wallpaper? Send it to stream. And then we can start today, I guess. What are you doing back? New microphone? Did anyone notice? Well, I can't go on Discord, can I? Because it's got all your weird messages, but you keep telling me you love me. I keep saying, no, you're married now. Can't have me anymore. Don't want Maze to have to see that, you know? Fuck's sake. Fine. You fuck's sake. It's fucking terrible. I'm glad you like the new mic though. Yeah, the shelter I was staying at closed down, so I had to move to a new one. Where the fuck is that? Where did I save it? Pictures. Oh, new project. Oh, I don't think it likes them, does it? I have to do it. Yeah. I keep forgetting to add web support. New basement's so much nicer. I hope you've got a bit more room in there now. Don't want that lion to God's sake. I always feel sorry for people who just join these streams. Did you say WAP support? There we go. Hopefully someone will change that shitty wallpaper very soon. But for now, it's there. I know. Hi Benji, how you doing? So, what bug are we going to look at today? Now we're all set up. So, if we go to bugs. Okay, so the s390x stages contain the package mask, so it doesn't delete what's already saved. Let me try that again. So when we build stage tarballs in Gentoo, we use our package.use and accept keywords files to build the stage 3. and then we remove them so the user can build how they want it to be afterwards. Does that make sense? Now normally this happens automatically, but for some reason it's not working on S390. Why is that? Because there's probably only about 2 users. So if we go over here, go to releases, specs, S390, 390x. Let's take a look at the stage here. So to me, that looks like. Oh, look, I was the last person to add it here. If I go look at. Let's go look at a different stage 3. Let's go look at AMD 64.
Damien Dudix tipped £15. Hey Luna, how are you doing? Shut up, Amolo, no one asked you.
Oh. Thank you very much for the tip. I really appreciate it. God, do I need it right now? Aha! So as you can see here, we've got the portage prefix here. That should be what deletes the portage stuff afterwards. So, let's go find out, let's go adds to the vodka fund, and then we're going to start this build off, shall we? Bugs. They're hard bugs. It's all math stuff. I need help. But yeah, that's definitely how I work. Procrastination? Is that how you say the word? Laziness. We go for the lazy way of saying it. Laziness really gets you there, doesn't it? What was I doing? Oh yeah, on the vodka. Thank you very much, Benji. Appreciate all of you. $10 months now. Me. We've known each other that long. What did I call this? Vodka clean copy. Got a good name. Oh, who let Amazing? He ignores people after a year, it seems. Who are you? Where's the little brushy thing? Is that the brush? There we go. There we go. One. Oh shit. One. What? I think this mouse is fucked. One. Two. One. Two. Three. Four. Fuck me, my hands are fucking bad, aren't they? I can't even draw a straight line. You're the t-shirt. Oh, you're the guy that lives in the basement. 5. 6. Fuck me, look at that. 7. 8. Clean your balls in your mouth. I don't need to. What the fuck's going on with this? 9. me, look at the state of that. Level. 12. 13. Oh my god. 14. 15. Well, I'm kind of glad you only sent 15 quid now, because fuck me, that took the AI a lot of work to fuck up, didn't it? Fucking hell. Like, how bad was that? That's like embarrassing. That wasn't even funny. That was just pure embarrassment. Weep. Thank you very much for the £15 donation. It will go towards vodka. See what I mean? The good little stat things we got here. Sorry, the good little automatic tools we got here that make all this work really well. You just wouldn't get this kind of thing on a smaller stream, would you? You know, on a bigger stream even. Right, let's go and actually work on what we're doing. So, I think it's this missing which is causing the issue. So, let's go pop over to a terminal. CD var templates. ls. Right, let's make a s390. The s390 are, if you don't know, like a mainframe computer. I've seen like 2 in my life. Never actually worked on one. We probably got 2 users in Gentoo, one of them being Gentoo to build this stuff. And other than that, I don't know anything about them. But what I do know is how to fix stuff. So let's try that. So let's copy over home, imlo, git, Gentoo. No, not Gentoo, reling, PR. Releases, spec. Spec. Page 1, OpenRC. Okay. So now I need to go and turn this spec from being built native into a... Oh, I don't want to get the Hercules. Thank you very much for the follow there, not Damien. I hope you're better than the other Damien. Yep, I totally did say thank you before realising exactly who the person was. Fuck's sake. Alright, so let's do Catalyst S stable. What this will do is download me a new portage snapshot. Oh, you don't want to be touching her computer. You might get Idle Slayer addicted playing on that. Okay, so it uses this commit ID. Oh my god, what is up with this mouse? God, I need a new mouse. Nano. Page 1. Right, we'll put the triage in. Well, what do I need? home, imlo, git reeling PR and stages QEMU. Right, I'm going to need this copied over. I need to go and download a stage 3, aren't I? So let's go do that. Isn't it? Like, it really does feel like there is grime in that port. I know it was a shitty £3 mouse, but fuck me, this is bad. Right, where do we go here? Let's download that. We'll copy that because we're going to need that in a second. Ooh. Why can't I copy? I miss the old days when we used to have to clean those moists out every so often. They had all the fluff caught in it. Should be finished soon. And finish off. We'll have to hook up. We'll have to hook up QEMU for it. Oh, there we go. Okay, and have I got everything? What's something we build with? Okay. Oh shit, kept it to alpha, not one alpha. Right, so if I now run AF stage 1. See if that works. Did I convert this properly? Old man noise is now in high. Okay, right. Look, this is what you wanted. You wanted Tourette's in high definition. You've now got Tourette's in high definition. Is this going to work? That's the big question. Well, when you put it like that, Damien, like, I can't really argue you, and I don't like the fact that you're right here. Like, I do think you're right. I should have probably just got a mouse instead that was a bit better. Especially now we can see just how bad the mouse is. But you know me, dumb tasks to do. Why is the mouse jumping around like fucking it's on crack? Well, in good news, then it looks like this is going to work. I didn't have the money for mice. I gave it to Sophie, and she wouldn't let me buy vodka and cake with it, which is even worse. She made me buy actual food shopping with it. Ridiculous. Who needs to eat? I think it might have to be, but it's worse because I mean, I did send the money for a decent mouse, and I couldn't get hold of it for a while, so I asked Sophie to look after it, and then she refused to let me buy. Sophie's my daughter, by the way. She refused to let me get a mouse instead of food. It was a very sad day, very sad day. I'm getting old now. I mean, I don't... shouldn't be anything on it. I mean, I picked it up from Poundland the other day, so it's quite new. I mean, it was probably a good idea I didn't buy the mouse, though, because I did, like, trash my room in, like, a sleep rage the other day, so... I would have been a lot more upset if I broke the 70 quid mouse than I did break the 3 quid mouse. Anyway, I literally trashed my room in my sleep. I don't know how, why I did it. No, companies send me stuff, so I'm quite lucky there. Like I get the occasional 486 and 586 machine. I need your Yeah. God, could you imagine if they saw in vodka turning up in the post? How funny would that be? Again, for people that don't know, I live in a dry house. Might have an alcohol problem. Don't know. But I'm not supposed to drink here, which is why I never do. Which is why that comment of sending vodka to my house directly is quite funny. Okay, well that's going to take a while. So what can we look at next? So I found an interesting bug. Okay, now I'm actually curious. Can you even send stuff from Poland to here? Like, via Amazon, I mean. Does that even work? Like, I've got some weird geolocation stuff in my head that makes me think that it won't work. I don't know, you know when you just sit there and you think to yourself, would that work? Yeah, so I found an ICE in GCC 16. An ICE is an internal compiler. Yeah, that's what I thought, but then I wondered if someone bought it from another country, how does that work? Like, it's see what I mean? Is this just me being weird and my brain going? It should be so nice then. I could just imagine the crackheads opening that up and finding a fucking dildo in the middle of it, and I have to try and explain it. The worst part is I'll probably just go with it and just go, yeah, so what? And just walk in my room with it. I think that's the only thing you could do, isn't it? Showing weakness would be the worst thing you could do. Yeah, so I found this internal compiler error using the latest GCC 16. So my thought was they would borrow it. Oh, I think they only like each other. They are about, so I can't tell that story today, but let's just say I one night heard the pair of them having a good go at each other after a session of crack. Each to their own, but I really wanted to hear it. No, I've never had a phone. I mean, it would just be a list full of vodka and... You know what, let's go and have a look at it. We'll start this. If I spell it wrong, yep. Ah. No, I have never heard of this, ever. But can I put vodka on the list? I can still use VPNs in the UK. To be honest, it might be the only time that having a VPN in the sponsorship would be a good idea. Let's get Nord on the go phone. Search for mice. I don't know if you can. Right, let's go and fix the bug anyway for now. They are indeed fun, they are indeed. So it's really a funny topic in the UK. This started in 2017 when Theresa May was Home Secretary. And she made it one of her campaign manifesto things to have it as into law to protect children. People have always been saying, I've got nothing to hide, since 2017. And then the day after it gets launched, all of a sudden everyone's got something to hide. But you fucking voted for this shit, right? Well, I mean, it's only funny because I get to say I told you so. Right, let's go. So I need to figure out a way. I go to my build server from donated generously by Dawn. This does sort of a build server does it every week. It goes through building different architectures to look for issues. As you can see, why is that not working? There we go. And all the other fun stuff. So if we go to, is that 4? We can see here that GCC 15 builds, but 16 doesn't. So what we need to go and do is figure out I don't know about the criticizing thing being real. I think it's just a bit of propaganda on that one. I wouldn't say the people that are saying they've had the police visit them for that are trustworthy people. But we will find out soon if they are being anything. Because if you're in the UK, use a VPN. Now we'll wait for the SWAT team to turn up. I've heard the same, but I've not seen anyone get it. Let's try an old build. So I don't really know a good way to do this. Now I wonder if I just keep going back a month for GCC 16. I think that's probably the best way, if I just manually keep getting older versions It's the only way I can think of doing this. But I don't do anything if you say a lot on Reddit about it or anything like that. I'll get no knock at the door.
Not Adamy and Dudix tipped £5. Can you do 10 push-ups?
Oh, thank you, Not
Wonder how
Damian.
it will sound on the new
So
mic.
much nicer than the other person. No, and I just want to say that, like, really appreciate that you're here. And yeah, I think let's all just have a moment of clap for Not Damian for just being an amazing person and not being Damian. So, hooray! That guy's a sucker. Well, I know two people that would be really interested in that sort of person. Right, let's see if this goes better. Let's just change the colour. Let's go for that. There we go. Right, let's see if I can make that work. So, 1. Fuck me. You'd think I was drunk, wouldn't you? Look at the state of that line. 2. 3. 4. Fuck me. 5. Fucking hell. Why is it so bad? Why have I got so bad at it? Innit? It's fucking terrible. I've just got no words. Right. Beep. Thank you very much for making me do some more wavy lines on the bottle. It's feel like an ice cream, though. What are we doing here? All right. So we're just installing eSelect repository. What that does is allows us to create a local repository. Oh god, could you imagine it? We could play some really good game though. While we wait. How's that building doing? Fucking forever. Let's play some Idle Slayer while we wait. Oh, I could get Dungeon Crawler now. Oh, I might get. Ooh. This game's awesome. How are we doing? Got a little bit more to go for there. Oh no, I don't want that, I don't want that. Ooh. Nice. I really want to play Final Fantasy 9 again. I've got to finish up 7 first, don't I? Maybe that's what we could do tomorrow. It's 7. Or maybe I should do some work actually. Did I work with Final Fantasy 7 tomorrow? And had spot. We had spots on the old video, isn't it, that I've got to make. Ugh. Bloody sponsors and their demands. Right, so I'll do one on stream when I know the company a bit better. Obviously, let me prepare something before I just randomly walk into it. Okay. This is going to take a little bit of a... It's going to take a little while, I think. Yeah, 2 videos. I'm planning an Arch Linux video for it, so it should actually be a bit more popular than usual videos. This is a good time to say 2 shitty companies working together, or was that joke not going to land? Right, well, we haven't got much we can do here. So let's leave this to build for a bit. We'll have the music playing, and then we'll be back in a little while, and we can start on the next part of this. I need to tidy my room up a bit as well. I did get shouted at by the people that apparently I'm too messy. Me, too messy. Who would ever think that I was messy? 10-15 minutes.